So the drama with Monewa and Ugugu continues. Monewa now went to Twitter and to spill everything that was happening. So basically here she was talking about the birthday gifts that Ugugu kept on insisting on on Manel getting her a birthday gift, and she said that I couldn't because of that December we were flying to Johannesburg, and I have children, and I also have two nannies that help us with our kids. So I had to fly our family, all of us, to Johannesburg. So she said that her husband spent over 40,000 rand on return tickets for everyone, and that's why she couldn't get Usne Gugu her birthday present that she was insisting on, right? She also did say that, well, sorry about that. Well, it still continues, guys. And with this thing, all I'm gonna say is that I've seen it from a very, very, very long time ago. A very long time ago. If you go back to their vlogs, you could see how Manewa was acting towards her. Even Komoto. I remember when Usne and Homoto were having a back and forth. I remember I went to Usne Guguletu's videos where Homoto was also there, and I wanted to see her reaction. But I also picked up on Manewa as well, and I'm like, wow, this is, they're acting a little bit funny. And then now that the fans are so divided, a lot of people are siding with Usne Gugu because they feel like she has been wronged, and that Manewa is giving mean girl energy, right? And as much as Manewa was saying that Usne is the one that's manipulative, I believe that she is the one that is manipulative. She is the one that's playing mind games with with Usne. Because if you don't like someone that much, why don't you tell them and say, I'm cutting ties with you because of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? But then you're gonna say, well, if you say I hate you that much, if you say I did all of these things, why are you coming back to me? No, 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 no. That is manipulative. You know what you're doing. You are playing the cards. You know why? Because of Omaneo wants to play the victim cards. Omaneo wants to be the one to say, oh, I did nothing. I asked her, if I'm really doing those things, then why are you still coming back to me? So that we, the fans or the viewers, could look at Google and say, okay, but then that's true. Why were you going back? Which I feel like is a little bit of truth to that, because I wouldn't go back to someone that likes me. But I want to say that if Omaneo did not like Usne, and Usne was doing all of these things, why don't you cut her off? Why do you have to keep on embarrassing her or humiliating her? Imagine a friend walks in and you laugh at her. How mara guys mo maranahanin ka mkhomongwe, guys, no way, no way. And this thing, yo guys, even the husbands are now in, the kids are now in this thing, yo, a mess. When I say a mess, I mean it's a mess, girls, yo. And I was scrolling through the comments and I saw Big Nas commented, I don't like speaking about money, but continues to mention money with laughing emojis. And the Upside Mzansi creator, like the person who posted this video, was like, Ariana, what are you doing here with a laughing emoji? And if you guys remember, Big Nas and Usne are really close friends. I just didn't know if she was also friends with Omaneo, but at least now we know where she stands. And it's true because she was talking about money, but I think she was also referring to the reasons on why she couldn't buy Maneo, why she couldn't buy Usne birthday gifts, because of the expenses that she was doing, which I also feel like she didn't need to, because she said that we don't talk about money. She said that Usne is that's the language that she understands. Money, tell people how much she makes. Usne encourages us to do YouTube when she tells us how much she makes on YouTube. She encourages you that you can earn this much. It's not a dream. You can earn that much. Ay, Kathleen Bo. Yo, well, here's the full video, guys.
She said there was a gold handbag that she bought and a Martha K. Yeah,
So
yeah.
no, it's the gold bag is the one that's from Martha K. And then she bought me the gold bag. Bear in mind, this person was getting married. I bought her a wedding gift. I bought her bridal gift. I and this is all happening around December on her birthday. I bought her a bridal gift. I bought her a wedding gift. I helped pay for her decor. And the money that I spent, and I know this is, I hate speaking about money, and it's just not my thing. But guys, I have a big family. I have two kids. I have two people that help us look after our kids. And I had to fly to Joburg with my whole family in on that December, and I had spent 30K for return flights. My husband paid 30K on return flights. And over and above that, I, number one, number one, had done so many things around that time. And over and above all of that, she was still demanding a birthday gift. And I said, and but like, I'm not Mudobalayo, if that makes sense, because there's many things that I've done and there's many things that I have given, if that makes sense, that I'm not gonna sit and count back, oh, you gave me a gift for 5,000, da 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 da. Because if when I go through
Counter
my
kodwa
bank
apha
statement, there's times where I've
Maneo,
spent my
counter.
money.
Kodwa mna ndithi counter apha
Yeah, I'm
kwi-system.
counting. Hence, I'm saying the account, as I'm saying, there was only a return, a change, a exchange of gifts one time. I bought her some. I don't know what was it. It's a while ago from the iStore, and she returned that by buying the dress. Do you understand? And over and above that, if I'm not mistaken, that dress was even on special. So I don't the price that she's talking about. You know what? Actually, I don't want to. I don't want to speak on that. So basically that's one on one, right? That's one on one. And she's talking about my baby shower. I'm talking about her bridal shower. I bought for her bridal shower, and I also bought for her what? For her wedding. And I also did what? And I also paid for her decor. Do you
Ideko
understand? And
yomtshato.
she's counting no, decor your bridal shower. So now I need you to understand that now if she's sitting here and counting, she's counting a dress and a bag. Two things.
Yima, and
And
then wena,
a present for the baby shower.
wena wenza i-bridal, le nto ideko yele nto. Khona nemali wawumphe yona because ngoku funeke sibalile because
Yes.
besisigqibele kaloku nathi mama.
Into yemali, it was almost like a stock fell. Into yemali, it was almost like a stock fell. I didn't give her
Oh.
money. It was almost like a stock fell. So she was giving me money. I was like, basically what we did was giving each other money, if that makes sense. Do you understand? So it was a stock fell. And that how can I say it? That how it was set up. Yes, maybe I did say but I gave her 10K, but it was almost like a stock fell. So I was giving her 10K on her birthday. She was giving me 10K on her birthday, and we are giving the other friend 10K. So basically you get 20K in total, if that makes sense. Which is there was never a time where I said I'm not gonna pay for it. I've posted my receipts. I have everything that's on the receipts. So if she's gonna sit here and count, I think bar for bar things are equal, honestly speaking. But as I said, it is not. I'm not on the internet to show people that I am doing this for this person and I'm sending this person this money. And hence why every time I gave her something, I always said, please try not to mention me because unfortunately, like I hate people being in my business. I hate people pocket watching. I hate people knowing that I'm able to send someone 10,000 rand on a go.
Oh, is this Monewa ke ngoku? Mna Sham, last question. Last question endikubuza yona. Le yokuba ke ngoku lo bhuti ne. Singena apha ngoku emxholweni yi-dead beat. You understand?
No, I'm not gonna speak on. I'm sorry, I can't speak on that one.
Oh, hayi
I think,
eyonithusi kaloku
yeah,
sana because
you know what? I refuse.
iyothusa into ye-dead. Kaloku kuthiwe nawe
No,
uyi-single
no,
mother.
I'm not gonna speak on that.
Kaloku nawe
No, good
ubuyi-single
right.
mother.
No,
So
I'm fine with
funa
that.
ubona ukuba
No, I'm honestly fine with
oh,
that.
hayi
I'm honestly fine with that.
hayi ndiyakuva. But bethe uyi-single mother.
Yeah.
Ngicela
Hi,
ukubuza
ladies.
last one now. I'm
Now I'm
stressing.
Nombuza. Hi, ladies.
Oh.
Hi, Manewa. So, who's this friend who stole your idea? Is she like in PR, influencer
You
marketing?
know what? Let me tell you, I'm not. You know what? I really, that one I'm gonna deal with legally. I will deal with her legally. I'm not gonna speak about her because I know she wants to be popular, so I'm not gonna be part of it. But that person, I will be dealing with her legally.
Oh, is it that PR girl or influencer marketing?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Damn gone. Okay. Ngos.
Oh, Mina, my question was to say, okay, my question basically was, Uguti,
since at some point, obviously with your guys' vlogs and all of that, it seemed as if like the husbands, all of them, all three of them, were trying to form some sort of friendship. What are the implications, Joba Segliwa Ganjena and Sekfagwa now ama husbands? Because
So
it's like
my let me explain something to you. My husband never wanted to be affiliated with this person because the first time she came here, she was taking pictures. And as I said, I think I've said this before, I chose not to listen to my husband when she said, please stop. I don't want this person in my space. And hence why I basically like didn't want her. And I loved her so much. And I was disregarding my husband's instinct when I was like, oh no, I'm giving her the benefit of the doubt. My husband, she's herself has crashed out saying that my husband is not ostracizing them, but my husband doesn't want to like hang out with them, and he doesn't want to come to hang out with them. So yeah, no, I don't know. Maybe the other people, I don't know, but on my part, my husband was never um trying to build a friendship with like no.
Hi, Lisa. I think you've exhausted your questions. Let's give others a
hayi
chance.
ndirayithi mna shem ndirayithi shem enkosi shem ndirayithi ngoku ndirayithi but eyona ndiqhubekayo apha eyi imbi le nto imbi nyhani ke shem but andiyazi ngalulwamkelo lwabayeni andiyazi imbi